Dear student, myself Digan Sakhewala, I am your science teacher. We will continue our chapter number 9, force law and laws of motion. Okay, today we are going to learn the third law of motion. So action and reaction are equal in magnitude, but they are in opposite direction. Okay, so action we can consider one force, and reaction also we can consider one force. So action and reaction are equal in magnitude and they are in opposite direction. To understand it, we take the two ball or two marbles, and these two marbles are coming nearer to each other. At that time, the A marble apply the force on B, so that we represent here FAB, and B marble apply the force on A, so that we are represented by FBA. Both are equal in magnitude, so we are writing here FAB equals to FBA, but they are in opposite direction, so because of that reason we are writing here minus sign. So in day-to-day life, whatever force are there, that force are always in the pair. Any force are there, they are in the pair. This statement also we can write in different way. During interaction of two bodies, the force exerted by the first body on the second body is equal and opposite to that exerted by the second body on the first body. Same way, it also explains this thing only, FAB equals to minus FBA. Dear student, always remember that forces always exist in the pair. Okay, suppose we put any object on table, you think that which two forces are there. Okay, so we will check here. I kept the a book on the table, so there are two forces are there. One force is the gravitation force in the downward direction, so we can say that FBA. Another force is the anti-gravitation force which act on the upward direction, so that is called FAB. Also we can say that FAB equals to minus FBA. Okay, second condition in that why we can walk, or what is the reason for walking. Here also the two type of force are there. First force in that we apply the force on earth, so that is called action, and same way the earth is also apply the force on us, so that is called reaction. So action and reaction are equal in magnitude, but they are in the opposite direction. Third condition is in that if the swimmer is swimming, in that two type of force are there. Okay, first force is that he apply the force on water, and because of that reason he is going in the forward direction. Okay, so that is called action, FAB. Same way the water also apply the force in the negative direction, so that is called reaction, so that we can say that FBA. Okay, so we can say that action and reaction are equal in magnitude, but they are in opposite direction. Dear student, you can do one activity. Take two spring balance. Whatever you apply the force on the second balance, okay, and first balance you tie with the wall, and whenever you apply the force, then you find that in both spring balance the reading are same. It indicates that action and reaction are equal in magnitude, but they are in opposite direction. Whenever we want to fire the bullet by the rifle, at that time two type of force are exist. First force in that the bullet is going in the forward direction, because spring of the rifle that give the force to the bullet, so it is going in the forward direction, that is called action. Same way bullet apply the force in the backward direction, that is called reaction. Okay, and because of that reason whenever you fire the bullet by rifle, then you feel the force on your shoulder. So we can say that in this condition also action and reaction are equal in magnitude, but they are in the opposite direction. So this is all about the Newton's third law of the motion.